The original owner spent over $6,000 since October, and they sold it to me. That's an absolute bargain. What's going on, guys? I'm Rob Santinello and welcome back to the channel. So first of all, we're getting a little fancy. I got a mic so we won't have to worry about the wind. So this is my 2007 Lexus GX 470. And I think I made the best purchase out of anyone that has bought one of these in the entire country. And I'll explain why. So first, these were made from 2003 to 2009. In 2007, they changed the hard drive and navigation system to be a better functioning system. So mine is a 2007. Secondly, mine is a one owner. Now this vehicle has 150,000 miles and I bought it for $9,000. So that might not seem like the lowest price that anyone has paid in the entire country for one of these GX 470s, but I'll tell you why I think I made the best purchase and have the best value for the price than anyone in the entire country. Let me show you some receipts. So when I bought this 2 weeks ago, the original owner just put in a rebuilt Jasper transmission. And 2 weeks later, they sold it to me. So look at this. So here's a work order for a new transmission assembly that comes with a 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty. So for a rebuilt transmission assembly from Jasper with a 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty, the total cost of the job was $4,177.60. And here you can see the Jasper Limited National Warranty and where you can go to register your transmission that's been rebuilt. So I just paid $9,000 and got a completely rebuilt Jasper transmission with a 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty. So I can basically drive this for the next 3 years worry-free if anything happens. An absolute steal. But it's just not the transmission they did. A few months earlier, they did a new catalytic converter. So look at this work order. Catalytic converter, exhaust manifold, air fuel system, $1,941. And that was back in October. So between the rebuilt Jasper transmission, the new catalytic converter, and the original owner spent over $6,000 since October, and they sold it to me for $9,000 in January. And look, it's not just that they did the transmission and the catalytic converter. Literally, this thing has been fully serviced. I have an absolute stack of receipts going all the way back to 2007, the first oil change at 5,000 miles. Everything's been done at a Lexus dealership in New Jersey for the most part. So I bought a fully serviced Lexus GX 470 for $9,000 with a rebuilt 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty from Jasper, a new catalytic converter, and no real issues at all. So I'll also take you around the vehicle, and it is extremely clean. You can see no major dents, no major scratches. The tires are bald, so they're gonna have to be replaced. The wheels are peeling. It's a standard Lexus GX issue, but the silver paint really still shines. It's absolutely phenomenal. Inside, the leather is still in very nice shape. No major cracks, no rips. There is the dash crack. So all the lights work. The car isn't turned on, so you'll see some lights on there, but there's no lights that are active for any issues except for low tire pressure, which is, I know that because it's dry rotted, and I filled up with some air last week and the light went away immediately. Everything works. The touch screen, the climate, the audio. It has the heated seats. Because the 2007, the aux cable is here and the center diff lock is on this side, but everything in this car absolutely works. Very, very clean. Has the 3rd row seats. So I bought a $9,000 Lexus with work receipts for a rebuilt transmission, a new catalytic converter that was just done in the last 2 months. That's an absolute bargain. So let me know in the comments, have you made a better deal than I did for your Lexus GX 470? If so, let me know. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And also, don't smash, but gently hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.